We are often told to eat more fiber, but treating fiber as a single uniform substance is biologically inaccurate. Fiber is a complex matrix of non-digestible carbohydrates. The human body lacks the specific enzymes required to break the glycosidic bonds in plant cell walls. Because of this, fiber passes through the stomach and small intestine relatively intact. Fiber behavior in the gut is dictated entirely by its solubility in water. Today we divide fiber into two distinct chemical classes, soluble and insoluble. Insoluble fiber includes cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin. These are the structural components of plants, the tough outer skin of an apple, the stringy parts of celery, and the bran of whole wheat. As the name implies, insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water. Instead, it acts mechanically by absorbing water like a sponge and adding physical bulk to stool. This bulk stretches the walls of the colon, which stimulates peristalsis, the wave-like muscle contractions that move waste through the digestive tract. It functions as a biological broom, decreasing transit time and preventing constipation. Soluble fiber, which includes pectins, gums, and mucilages, behaves completely differently. This fiber is found heavily in oats beans and the flesh of fruit, and it does dissolve in water. When soluble fiber interacts with the aqueous environment of the digestive tract, it undergoes a phase change, forming a thick, viscous gel. This gel coats the lining of the small intestine, acting as a physical barrier. The viscous gel is the secret to soluble fiber metabolic power. By coating the intestinal wall, it physically traps sugars and carbohydrates, slowing the rate at which enzymes can access and break them down. This blunts the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, flattening the insulin spike. 50 grams of carbohydrates from an apple with pectin yields a drastically different hormonal response than 50 grams from apple juice, where the pectin matrix has been destroyed. When soluble fiber finally reaches the large intestine, it serves its most critical function by being fermented by the gut microbiome. The bacteria in your colon possess the enzymes you lack, and they feed on soluble fiber, producing short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, propionate, and acetate. Butyrate is the primary energy source for cells lining the colon, and it reduces inflammation while maintaining tight junction integrity. Butyrate also signals satiety to the brain. In conclusion, fiber is not just roughage. Insoluble fiber is a mechanical tool for motility. Soluble fiber is a metabolic buffer for insulin and a chemical fertilizer for your microbiome. Optimal gut health requires the engineering of both.